back to me.
I'm not reading it back to you, Lee. You can read it when we're finished. I can't spend all night on this.
You got something better to do?
Let's just go ahead. So what happens when he leaves Texas?
Is he ready to leave Texas yet? I didn't think we were that far along. He's not ready to leave Texas yet.
He's right at the border.
No. See, this is one of the most crucial parts right here. We can't rush through this. He's not right at the border. He's a good 50 miles from the border. A lot can happen in 50 miles.
We're writing an outline. I'm not writing an entire script right now.
You can't leave things out even if it is just an outline. These things are important. You can't go leaving them out.
Okay. Let's just get it done.
All right. Now, he's in his truck, and he's got his horse trailer and his horse.
We've already established that.
And he sees this second guy coming up behind him in another truck, and that truck's pulling a gooseneck.
What's a gooseneck?
Cattle trailer. You know, the kind with a gooseneck goes right down in the bed of the truck.
Okay, I got it.
These things are important.
I got it.
All these things are important.
Right.
So, the second guy's got his horse all saddled up in the back of the gooseneck.
Right.
Both these guys got their horses all saddled up right along with them, see?
I understand.
And the first guy realizes two things.
What, the guy in front?
Right. The guy in front suddenly realizes two things almost at the same time, simultaneous.
Okay, what are the two things?
First, he realizes that the guy in the truck behind him is the husband of the woman he's been.
Oh, yeah.
And second, he realizes they're in the middle of tornado country.
What's tornado country?
The Panhandle.
Panhandle?
Sweetwater, around that area, nothing, nowhere. And third...
I thought there were only two.
No, there's a third unforeseen realization.
And what's that?
They're running out of gas.
Come on, Lee!
What? That's what it is! Write it down!
It's so...
What, real? Too real?
No.
Too much like real life? Is that what you mean?
No, it's not like real life. It's not enough like real life. Things don't happen like that.
Oh, what, men don't fuck other men's women?
Yes, but they don't end up chasing each other across the Panhandle.
They do.
Through tornado country.
They do in this movie.
And they don't have their horses conveniently with them when they run out of gas. And they don't run out of gas either.
This is my film, and these guys run out of gas.
You know, it's just a lame excuse to get them into a chase scene.
It is a chase scene. It's already a chase scene. They've been chasing each other for days.
What? So what? They abandon their trucks and they climb under their horses and chase each other into the mountains?
There are no mountains in the Panhandle. It's flat. God damn these crickets. Shut up out there. This place is like a fucking rest home. How are you supposed to think around here?
All right. You want to take a break?
No, I don't want to take a break. I gotta get this done. This is my last chance to get this done.
All right. Take it easy.
I ain't gonna be hanging around here for long. I'm gonna be moving along.
Where are you going?
Never mind where I'm going. That's got nothing to do with you. I'm not like you hanging around being a parasite off of other fools. I gotta do this thing and get out.
A parasite? Me?
Yeah, you.
Yeah, after you break into people's houses and take their televisions?
They don't need their televisions. I'm doing them a service.
Give me back my keys, Lee.
Not until you write this thing. You're gonna write this outline thing for me, or that car is gonna wind up in Arizona with a different paint job.
You think you can force me to write this? I'm doing you a favor.
Oh, get off your high horse, will ya? Favor. Big favor. Handing out favors from the mountaintop.
All right. Let's just write this, okay? Let's not get upset. I just want to get through this.
You're not gonna do this, are you?
What?
This outline, you got no intention of showing this to him. You're only doing this because you're afraid of me.
You could show it to him yourself.
I will, boy. I'm gonna read it to him on the golf course.
And I'm not afraid of you.
Yeah? Then how come you're doing it?
So I can get my keys back.
There. Now you get your keys back. Go ahead. There's your keys. What are you gonna do now? Kick me out?
I'm not gonna kick you out, Lee.
You couldn't kick me out, boy.
I know.
So you can't even consider that one. You could call the police. That'd be the obvious thing.
You're my brother.
That don't mean a thing. You get on the LA Police Department there. You ask them what kind of people kill each other the most. What do you think they'd say?